been happening for some time. Long time. So to remedy this nutty action that happens that nobody decided to tell me about, I had to Google why my head was shaped like a peanut. Loss of fat. It's apparently natural, but I don't like it. So we're gonna go to Avant Aesthetics. We're gonna go to Avant Aesthetics today to visit my favorite nurse, Alexis. She's the only person I trust with my face. She's done everything from my cheeks to my lips to whatever you can imagine, Botox. Still get to move my face and do everything. Notice, just she works with me. Really natural aesthetic, best injectioner in the planet. She like sculpts your face to make you look like you looked when you peaked at how you looked.
Let's take it down. All right, we're gonna begin the injection. The skin is prepped nice and clean. So we're gonna go right straight on in.
I am here
Down to
with
the bone here.
Nurse Alexis, and we're doing Sculptra. Like I told you before, Sculptra is a semi-permanent treatment. So before you get any Sculptra done anywhere, you have to really want to make sure that you want that area filled. Oh,
You all right?
it feels so weird.
It's a little pressure, huh?
But this is the reality of the situation when you're getting injectables. Ooh!
Okay. Okay, right there.
So, dude, you can tell there's already such a severe difference. Look at that side, and then let's look at that side.
So I'm gonna go right back in.
Okay, so
Hold on 1 second here. Let's go right back in. Okay, little pinch.
and so all you know, even though I'm talking, everybody, you probably want to stay really still when this shit's happening.
Yes. All right, here we go. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in through one more spot right over here, okay? You all right?
Yeah, I'm just being a moron for the camera.
And it's just gonna feel a little.
What it feels like, so all you guys know, is it feels like pressure. Like a slight amount of pressure.
1 second here. Those clogged sometimes. A little clogged.
Look at the difference already.
Yeah. See how refreshed.
Look
you
at the
look?
difference already.
Okay. Hold on 1 second, okay? I'm going through the same injection point here. Little pinch right over here. You all right?
Perfect.
Okay, so we're done with one side here. And if you can, if you could just put a little bit of pressure and then pull back a little.
Like the facelift that we all want to get at this point. I'm almost 40 though, so everybody knows it's like that at this point. Everybody will get to that point too, so we'll all be there. We all get old. It's just sliding into old gracefully. You guys can totally see the difference in the face. It's incredible and amazing. Dude, the peanut head is totally gone at this point. And she made me a makeshift hair tie out of a glove. You literally can't get better than that. So you guys know, I'm not immune to, it looks like it didn't hurt. I'm used to injections, I'm not immune to it. Alexis so far has done my cheeks for me. She's done these lines that are a nightmare, and she's done my lips. So If it looks like it didn't hurt, it really honestly didn't hurt. And you're good to go. Look at that. No more peanut head. In a span of 15 minutes. Avant Aesthetics, best. Nurse Alexis, I love you, I appreciate you, thank you.
You're welcome, my pleasure.
You guys can see my face is completely filled out now. Can you flip this around? How do you flip it around once you're filming on a camera? I'm not sure either.
I know you can do that on Instagram.
So you guys can see my face is completely filled out and it's getting back to where it was. I'll show you guys a picture of an old headshot that I had from a long time ago of where we were trying to go back to. And this also lifted up the jowl area. That's like the area of death that nobody wants to get at a certain point in time. I feel like when I'm probably 60, I'm just gonna say it's cool. Like, I'd like to be that old lady who looks really awesome, but I'm 38 and I'm not there yet. So this is literally, it lifted everything up without having to do anything. And now my face doesn't look so gaunt. I was feeling like Skeletor for a really long time and I couldn't wear my hair up and it was really embarrassing. Look, she's laughing at me. Look, say hi. Hi. That's Alexis. She is my, I guess you would say beauty guru. Because I only go to her. Like, once you find somebody that you like, I'm not saying this is where you have to go, I'm just saying once you find somebody that you like, that understands the aesthetic that you're going for, stick with them. Stick with them. I only go to Avant Aesthetics and I only go to Nurse Alexis. So you guys know this is where I get all my stuff done and it's natural. And now it literally lifted everything up, so it makes the cheeks look good, it makes me look less hollow, and I don't look all Skeletor. I look like I'm back to, you know, early 30s. Hopefully less. I wouldn't say that about myself though, so let's say that.